Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an ideal 5,000 square feet investment property, an income earner. It is located in Northern Estates, St. James. It comes with 4 one-bedroom apartments and 3 studios with their own entrances. The property is approximately 15 minutes from Sangster's International Airport and 5 to 10 minutes from Iber Hotel and other noble resorts and golf courses along the elegant corridor. Guys, let's take a look at this apartment and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this apartment is Jamaican 17 million or US $110.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.